Welcome back to English Podcast Academy. This is the final part of our kitchen vocabulary series. If you've been with me since part 1, well done. And if this is your first time here, don't worry. You can enjoy this part and go back to the others anytime. Today we will learn the last 10 words. The first 4 are foods, and the rest are action words. Verbs you can use in the kitchen every day. So let's take it slow and learn together. Vegetable. A vegetable is a plant we eat. Carrots, onions, and broccoli are vegetables. They are healthy and colorful. Example: she cooks vegetables for dinner. Great. Now something a little heavier. Meat. Meat comes from animals. It can be beef, lamb, or pork. People cook meat in many ways. Example: he eats meat with rice. Next is something we all know. Chicken. Chicken is white meat. You can boil it, fry it, or grill it. Many people eat chicken for lunch or dinner. Example: she cooks chicken with vegetables. And now something from the sea. Fish. Fish live in water. We eat fish in many countries. It's soft and light. Example: he eats fish on Fridays. Good job. Now let's look at verbs, things we do in the kitchen. Cook. Cook means to make food. You can cook with heat on the stove or in the oven. Example: I cook dinner every night. Now one way of cooking. Boil. Boil means to heat water until it bubbles. We boil water, eggs, or pasta. Example: she boils eggs in the morning. Another way to cook food. Fry. Fry means to cook in hot oil. We fry potatoes, eggs, or fish. Example: he fries chicken in a pan. Now something warm and sweet. Bake. Bake means to cook in the oven. We bake bread, cakes, and cookies. Example: she bakes a cake for her friend. Time to clean now. Wash. Wash means to clean something with water. We wash hands, dishes, or vegetables. Example: he washes the dishes after dinner. And one last helpful word to end the series. Towel. A towel is a piece of cloth. We use it to dry hands, dishes, or tables. It can be small or big. Example: she dries the cup with a towel. You did it. That was the final part. You now know 50 kitchen words, slowly, clearly, and calmly. You listened, you imagined, you learned, and most important, you did it without pressure. If this series helped you, like the video. Write a comment. Maybe tell me which part you liked the most. And don't forget to subscribe. That way, we'll keep learning slowly together. See you in the next series. Until then, let English stay with you in every quiet part of your day.